Hello YouTubers, I have another tripod unboxing. This is another one by Targus, is the universal tabletop tripod. I realized since I'm going to do a video of my model trains, which are N-scale by the way, that a regular tripod like this 50-inch one the camera's mounted on right now is too far away from the ground to get a close-up picture. So this will eliminate that need. So let's check it out to see what we get inside. And just so you know, this is not a very expensive tripod. It's only $7.99 at Radio Shack, and they do give you a 5-year limited warranty. One more side. That was fairly easy. Got the card it was sitting on. 5-year limited warranty. And then we have the beauty itself. Not very heavy, but tiny. It's got a little swivel head where you mount your camera on. It looks adjustable like any other. Tiny, very light, but with a little bit of weight to it, but weight to keep it on the ground, of course. But if you're somebody who likes to take video, like in your car, this is the perfect thing to put on your dashboard. So that's about it for this video of the unboxing of the Targus Universal 6-inch tabletop tripod. Stay tuned for the video of my model trains and my demonstrations of the Apple Composite AV cable and Belkin headphone adapter for iPod shuffle. I know I've been saying that for a while I'm going to do this, but those are definitely going to happen sooner or later. But hey, better late than never. And also I'm ordering some new cases for my iPod Nano and iPod Classic. Those will be by Switch Easy, and I will have unboxings of those too. So until next time, have a good rest of 2009 and a Happy New Year.